So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel after 3 years. So I'm so excited for trekking today. So I hope friends you all are doing well. Me too, I am doing good. So you can see this side our luggage this side and our friends are getting ready. So I'm not going to talk so much, so let's go.
이거 스테이션 다시 쳐버리잖아. 아니 럭동고요. 다운 랭웨이 더 커트랙이 해서니. 양의 백 서양 나리 딱 하는 영사.
So guys, we have reached the station, but train has not reached in the platform, so we are waiting for the train. So watch till the end, don't skip. So till now, have a nice day. So guys, good morning everyone. So we have reached a landing station till now, and our friends they have went to take ticket, and we are waiting for another train.
일단 픽업을. 위패디 백. bisa sana rokok di hai. Karena program kita.
So guys, it's already what's the time kata bok? What's the time? Time nagar time.
10:40.
Okay, the time is it's 10:40. So now we are moving for our trekking to Dzukou Valley. So watch till the end. Don't skip. We are too tired. This big place is 40 kg. Yeah, Sadek.
So tired. Enough. Is this Dzukou? This is not a Dzukou. Worse than Dzukou.
Tapos lasa. You can see these people are getting tired.
Come on! Zoss! Full Zoss! The best view come after hard climb.
Let's climb. अभी हाथ का समय खत्म हो गया भाई. अभी बेस्ट व्यू देखने का टाइम है.
Yo! Look at the nagaland view. Yeah, still guys. Bisa no? Toxic purpose.
Guys, you can see how beautiful it is. So finally guys, we have reached the destination. You can see side, and this is main gate to enter. Hey, side, hatiye zara.
Let's go.
So let's go. It's already
6
6
in the morning.
6 o'clock a.m. So we are going back after trekking. Again we are trekking from morning. So let's see you again in Kohima. So guys, as you can see, we are just laying here because we have missed our train. You can see another guy is living here. We have to wait till the 11 o'clock for our train. You can see the birds are also sleeping.